Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. As you know that my name is Yashar and you are watching my YouTube channel Yes Tech Stars. In this video we are going to unbox a power bank. This is Connect Gel Plus 10,000 mAh power bank and in this video we are going to unbox it. So don't waste time and let's begin the video. So the outer look of the box is like this. This is the box of Connect Gel Plus 10,000 mAh power bank. At the front side you see that Gel Plus 10,000 mAh power bank is mentioned and this power bank comes with fast charging QC 3.0 and two inputs Type C and micro USB are provided and two output Type C and micro USB are provided in this power bank. This is a good thing that two input and two output are provided in this power bank. At this side you see the Connect website www.connect.world. At the back side you see some features of this power bank and price is also mentioned. The price of this power bank is 2,499 rupees, but I told you the exact price of this power bank in the video. The packaging is so attractive. At this side I clearly see my USB Type C cable. The packaging is, oh my god, this is so nice. This is so attractive packaging. I see my power bank from here. Oh, I like the way Connect represent its product by its packaging. At this side I clearly see the features of this power bank like easy to carry, two inputs, two outputs, overcharge protection and LED charge indication is provided in this power bank. And a very good thing is that this power bank carry 365 days warranty. Now let's come to the unboxing. If we break the seal, then first of all we get this. A warranty card is provided. I show you the warranty card. Connect, power yourself. This is the warranty card of this power bank. As I already told you that a 1 year warranty is provided with this power bank. This is my power bank. Let's open it. It is very lightweight power bank and there are two cables, which one is Type C to Type C and the other one is micro USB. This is a good thing that Connect provide me both the power cables, because at present time some of my electronic devices use Type C port and some of my electronic devices use micro USB port. So hands on for Connect that it provide me both the power cables with Connect power bank. So you don't worry about the ports, because you use all your electronic devices with this power bank, because you get two power cables. One is micro USB C port and other is micro USB A port. Now let's come to the power bank. Connect, power yourself branding. Backside some features. At this side you get 10,000 mAh branding. This is the power button. At the upper side you get LED indicators, ports for inputs and output. This is the special port for fast charging. This is micro input port and this is input and output port. This port used for Type C and this port used for micro USB and this port is used for fast charging. So this is a good thing that this power bank use both the modes, slow mode and fast mode. If you charge your electronic devices in fast mode, then you use this port, and if you have a devices which support slow charging, then you use the other two ports. This is a good thing that Connect power bank comes with two charging mode, fast mode and slow mode. The QC 3.0 mode is fast charging mode. Now let's see what are the other features. The outer finish is so good and the texture finish is provided in this power bank. If I rub this with my hand, then I clearly feel the texture which is provided. The power bank is so attractive. I personally use this power bank and my experience is so good. Now I try to show you the texture that is given on the power bank. So this is the texture which is provided on the upper side and up at the back side of this power bank. The design is so attractive and good and compact, easy to carry. Let's see what are the other features. Design of this power bank is so compact and it is very lightweight. Trust me, I am using this power bank for 15 days and it provides me a very good backup. My personal experience is very good with this power bank and I continuously using it for 15 days. If you are thinking to buy a power bank and confused in a lot of options available in market, then don't waste time and go for Connect Gel Plus 10,000 mAh power bank, because in power bank department this is a right choice. Connect 10,000 mAh Gel Plus power bank. If you are new to my channel, then please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep watching Yes Tech Stars and get touch with latest technology. Thanks for watching.